In the Food Lover House today we have cinnamon roll. Are you ready? Let's go. 250 milliliters of warm milk. Crumble 20 grams of yeast. 1 teaspoon of sugar. Stir to combine all of the ingredients and place it in a warm place for 15 to 20 minutes. In another bowl, crack 2 eggs. Add 85 grams of sugar. Now whisk until all the sugar granules dissolves. Slowly add the whisked egg into the milk mix. Slowly add 70 grams of melted butter. You need 600 grams of wheat flour. Add 5 grams of salt to the first half. Add gradually the half of the flour with salt to the liquid mix. Now gradually add the other half of the flour. Don't forget to check our description box. We always have some goodies for y'all. Add a teaspoon of sunflower oil to a bowl. Now place the dough in it and let it rest for an hour. Sprinkle some flour on top of your cutting board and let's start kneading this dough. Use a wooden roll to roll the dough. Roll out a rectangle of 0.6 centimeters thick. Brush 50 grams of unsalted butter. Mix 125 grams of sugar and 10 grams of cinnamon and sprinkle on top of the butter. With the tips of your fingers, start forming the roll. Cut it into pieces of 3 to 5 centimeters. Place it in a baking tray covered with parchment paper and let it rest for 30 minutes. Bake it for approximately 25 minutes at 180 degrees. For the topping, 250 grams of mascarpone cheese, 50 milliliters of milk, 50 grams of powdered sugar. Whisk it until all ingredients are combined. Your cinnamon rolls are ready. Spread the topping while it's still warm. Check the description box for some goodies and interesting stuff over there. Subscribe, like, and share for more videos and recipes. And I'll see you in the next one. Love you. Bye.